Hello, Chef here with yet another video to help you in your diet and basically just eat better. So here we go. Cabbage. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful head of fresh cabbage right there. When you select the cabbage in the grocery store, you want to make sure you're getting a nice tight, heavy, firm head of cabbage. This whole thing is edible, completely edible. I've selected a knife here. What do we have? Oh, Kasumi titanium. Love it. So one of the things you want to do is just slice the bottom off like that. That is about the only waste. There's a little brown spot there too. The rest of this is completely edible. So it's important when you select a head of cabbage that you get a nice, tightly packed, beautiful shaped, firm cabbage. If you have some brown leaves or some loose leaves, remove those. Cabbage grows very, very tight, and generally there's no dirt, no bugs, nothing like that in there. So cabbage is a superfood. I want to talk to you just a little bit about cabbage and some of the reasons why you should eat it. Number one is it's just really good for your digestive tract, helps clean you out. It's packed with nutrients, helps let me see, all kinds of things. So it's got vitamin C in there. It's an excellent source of vitamin K. Can help lower your blood cholesterol. Might help your blood pressure. Definitely helps your heart. And it helps digestion. So there's other things too. I won't get into all of them, but it is considered a superfood. So with that in mind, I suggest you eat some cabbage. So here we go. First thing is we split it right down the middle. That might be easier for you to do depending on what kind of knife you have, on the bottom like this, okay, or on the top. Either way, I'm going to go with the bottom here today. So here we go. Just give your knife a little bang like that. Should go right through. This knife's really nice because nothing sticks to it. Okay, so then we're going to cut the core out like this. There we go. This is completely edible. So I'm going to end up with 4 of these nice pieces right here. The core is edible too, but I'm not boiling it or cooking it. I'm just making a little slaw today. So because of that, I'm not going to use the core. It's good for animals though, livestock, cats, dogs, whatever you got. So if this is too big for your cat or your dog, just chop it up like this a little bit, and oh yeah, they're gonna love it. And it's good for them too. Yeah, another tip for you there, okay? I'll be back. Okay, here we go. I got the butcher glove. I got the stainless steel French mandolin. And I'm gonna take this cabbage and slice it up. I want it to be very thin. Yeah, just about like that. Uh-huh. Looking good. I'll be back. Okay, there we go. Just finishing up. So, once a student asked me, he said, "Chef, what do I do with all the pieces that don't go through the mandolin?" And I said, "Are you serious?" Okay, well that's real simple. You just take them and you use your knife and you line them up just like this. Keep them tight and give them a little chop like that. Very simple with the right tools. Very simple with the right tools, okay? By the way, the glove is ambidextrous. You can switch it over if you feel the need for safety. If you're worried about cutting your fingers with all this cabbage you got going on here, no big deal. Move the glove to the opposite hand, and now you can't cut yourself. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The right tools. If you need them, get them right there. By the way, carrots. Carrots in coleslaw are always a little bit better if they're cut nice and thin also. So I can go back to my mandolin. Here we go. Set this baby up one more time. And adjust it so I've got a nice thin carrot. Like this. Now, if you don't want these slices, it's no big deal. We can do the julienne. You can do a bunch of different things here. Main thing is you just have to set your mandolin up correctly. So here we go. Now I'm going to switch it and do a thin julienne here, okay? Just like this. Yeah, that's a little bit better. That's more what I'm looking for a coleslaw. And I will also switch the glove one more time. Safety first. Yeah, just like that. It's going to be good. Oh yeah, the dressing. So I know you want the recipe. Of course you do. You need to just subscribe right down there. And search this channel. Put in coleslaw. You'll find several of them where the chef's sharing the recipe with you. It's very simple. I'm going to give it to you anyway. Okay, here we go. Take notes. Mayonnaise, salt, pepper, sugar, vinegar, a little bit of olive oil, and anything else your heart desires. That's it. You've got a nice dressing right there, okay? All of this awesome cabbage, carrots, go right in to the mixture like this. Now you want to do it, for the best coleslaw, you want to do it in batches where you're mixing this and you're incorporating it. So you're getting all that flavor in there, and then you want to cover this and refrigerate it at least 1 or 2 days. This will stay good for a long time in the refrigerator. Keep it cold. Okay? It's looking really, really good. I'm not done with it. I'm going to season it up a little bit more. But that's the video. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, support your sponsor, and best of all, eat healthy and live longer. Get cooking. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. And your sponsor is right there. We actually have a couple sponsors, so there's another one over there. And that's where you're going to find all the cool stuff. Even the chef's titanium knife. Oh yeah. Butcher block. And all the good things that you see in the videos. Even some things that aren't in the videos. Check out your sponsors. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there.